or use a moss. So cute! This manicure just needs to go in your album. Here's your very own album, where all of the manicures you've already designed are saved. Change the background style and choose the skin color for your hand. What nail shape do you want to use? Choose it by tapping the Nail Shape button. So, what's the latest trend in nail polish color? Choose the color you want to use from the tray. Use your finger to brush it on the nail. You can change the size of your brush to add smaller or bigger details. What pattern inspires you today? Tap on a pattern in the tray to use it on your nails. Change now to make it super cute by adding a character. Drag the character you want onto your nail, anywhere you like. Use 2 fingers to rotate your character or change its size. Now to add some final touches. Choose from stylish stickers and sparkly gems. Use 2 fingers to rotate or change the size of your sticker or gem. Gorgeous! Keep going. Press the next button to continue. Gorgeous! Let's keep going. Next nail. If you're done with your manicure, tap on the camera to save. Take a photo of your hand or use a mop. So cute! This manicure just needs to go in your album. Here's your very own album, where all of the manicures you've already designed are saved.